Assalamu alaikum for class. As you know, we have started lesson number 4, dirty money. So in your previous lecture I have explained the theme of the story, and I hope you have learned and you have read. Now turn your page number 24. We will start this question. Okay students, question number A, comprehension. Tick the correct option here. Number 1, the $10 bill first came in a $200 packet, $400 packet, $500 packet, or $300 packet. So the answer is $500 packet. So you will take it like this. Clear? Now question number 2. One day the hawker got into trouble with the soldier, shopkeeper, businessman, police. The answer is, so you will take policeman. Next is, old Jack was rich and popular, rich and unpopular, poor and popular, poor and unpopular. The answer is poor and rich and unpopular. The question option B is correct. So the next is, the poor woman was fired from her job because, okay, option 4, the poor woman was fired from her job because she was dishonest, she was lazy, she did not do everything the manager wanted her to do. She did not do her job carefully. So the answer is C. C option is correct. She did not do everything the manager wanted her to do. Option 5, the woman saved a $1 bill to get food, pay the rent, travel, dine out. So the answer is get food. Okay, now come to the question number B. You know, we have before in 2 poems we have done this question. So again there is a answer with reference to the context. So students, in your first lecture of this lesson, in previous lecture I have explained the theme of the story. This will be the context. So the reference is, there is number 1, money talks. They say not just big bills but even smaller ones can say a word or two sometimes. So from where these lines have been taken? So these lines have been taken from the story Dirty Money, written by O. Henry. Clear? Now come to the questions. Okay, related to these lines. Question A, who does they refer to? यानी यहाँ पे जो they है वो किस चीज़ को रेफर कर रहा है? They refer to. So the answer is, they refers to people. Fine. They say, people say. Clear? What does bill mean? You know, in previous lecture I have told you bill mean note. Next is, explain even smaller ones can say a word or two sometimes. So the answer is, it means money speaks. यानी यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है कि स्मॉलर वन भी कुछ बोल सकते हैं, इवन बिग वन दैन टू समटाइम्स कैन से a word or two sometimes. So it means money speaks. Number 2, old Jack stood up. He took me in his hand. Then he gave me to the woman with a smile. Madam, he said, they say that my money is dirty, but if you will accept it, this bill is yours. अगर आप इसको लेना चाहें तो ये आपका है. So same reference is same and context is also same. So question A, what does me refer to? यहाँ पे me का क्या मतलब है? So the answer is, so me mean here took me in his hand. ये $10 की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. Me mean $10. $10. Now question B, why did old Jack give me to the woman? Old Jack ने मुझे woman क्यों दिया? So the answer is, because she looks poor and needy. वो गरीब और ज़रूरतमंद दिखाई दे रही थी ओल्ड जैक को, इसलिए ओल्ड जैक ने सोचा कि ये मुझे इस वुमेन को देना चाहिए ताकि इसके काम आ सके. द नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय मनी इज़ डर्टी इन द अबव सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है, मनी इज़ डर्टी, इससे क्या मुराद है? सो इट मीन्स that it is no longer न्यू नाउ, यानी कि मनी डर्टी है क्योंकि ये नोट पुराना हो चुका है, अब ये न्यू नहीं रहा, ये इसका मतलब है मनी इज़ डर्टी। नेक्स्ट है आई डिडंट सी हर आफ्टर बट आई मेट वन ऑफ द $1 बिल्स। हेलो, ये जैसे 10 रुपीज़ के नोट के ऊपर नंबर होता है, students, here is the note of 10 rupees, you know it is our currency, so you can see here number of note. In this way there is also a number, ये उसके नंबर से बुला रहा है, ठीक है, ये नोट का नंबर है, you can see. Now students, come to the point. I didn't see her after that but I met one of the $1 bills. Hello, ये नंबर है. I said didn't I see you at the baker's last Saturday. क्या मैंने तुम्हें नहीं देखा था लास्ट सैटरडे बेकर की शॉप पे. So come to the next question A. Who does refer to? ये इसका क्या मतलब है? So the answer is number of the note. ये नंबर है नोट का, मैंने भी आपको बताया है. Who does her refer to? और her का क्या मतलब है? Woman who speaks money at baker's shop. ठीक है, ये वुमेन जो आई थी चीज़ें लेने की उसके लिए हर यूज़ किया गया. व्हाट डज आई रेफर टू? तो आई का मतलब है $10 बिल. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आई $10 बिल के लिए यूज़ हो रहा है और हर वुमेन के लिए, और ये जो नंबर है ये नोट के लिए इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. विच ईयर डिड द $10 बिल बिलोंग टू? यू नो, किस ईयर में वो $10 बिल जो था वो बिलोंग करता था? 1901. अब आप इस नोट को भी देखें, ये जो नोट है किस ईयर से बिलोंग करता है? वी विल सी दैट. यू कैन सी हेयर 2018. क्लियर, इट बिलोंग्स टू 2018. ये 2018 का नया नोट था, बैंक से निकला था. इसी तरह ये जो $10 बिल था ये 1901 में निकला था. Where did the $10 bill come from? So, what did the hawkers want to buy with the money he saved? Who refused to accept old Jack donation? What position did the poor woman hold in the bank before she was fired? How many dollars did the woman spend at the baker's shop? Clear? The next is think and answer. Money can buy happiness. Justify this with the example of the poor lady in the story. There is no such thing as dirty money. What does the speaker mean by this? Students, if you find difficulty in your answers, you can take help from your notes. Page number 17, you can see here C. Now turn your page. These are the answers and then extra questions. Thank you.